Hey guys, so today I'm gonna unbox this Canon EOS R10 camera. So I got it from JB Hi-Fi and it costs around $1,400 something, and it is like a best camera for the beginners. So I'm really excited to open this one. So let's get started. So this is something to scan from Canon, and here's the warranty card, which we have got 5 years of warranty in this camera, which is really a good period of time. So here we have the battery, guys, this one, and then we have these two things, which are the chargers for this battery. So we have to connect this wire with this one, and then we can charge the battery. So this is it, and here we have the guide, the specification, like how to connect and how to how to connect the camera with the Wi-Fi and all. And then we have the specification here, like the manual, how to use it, like how to fix the how to put the battery and everything. So there's a guide here. And here's the neck strap for the camera, so you can like tie up your camera with this one, and you can use it like you can put it in your neck and use the camera with ease. So this is a very good thing, guys. So this has the EOS R10 written here, which is the model of the camera. Now let's see down, and here's the camera, guys. Okay, so let's take out the lens first. So this is the lens of this camera. Let's open it. So this is the lens, guys, and wow, and there's a cover, like Canon cover in the top, and yeah, this is the bottom part. So this is the RFS 18 to 45 mm f4.5 to 6.3 IS STM kit lens. So now I'm gonna take out the camera, and it's very light, guys. Let's open it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And this is the EOS R10 Canon, guys, and it's very handy. And this is the actual camera, how it looks like. So this is, guys, of 24.2 megapixel camera, and like here's the menu, and then here's like we can see the videos and after focus and viewfinder. And the good thing, guys, about this camera is you can just take out the display here like this, and for this one you can also rotate and flip like this. So whenever you're taking like a selfie video, then you can just put this one like this side, and you can take your selfie videos. So this is like movable 180 degree. So it's a very good option here you can get in this EOS R10 camera. And then yeah, it's so handy, it's very lightweight. And you can just in the specifications, guys, like you can see all the functions, and you need like to check it out and try the camera settings and functions, so that you can understand how it works. So I'm really excited to use this one, and it's really nice option for the beginners. And here's the mic, HDMI like port point, and yeah, it's. And another best part is like you can catch this like this, so there's a good grip on this side of the camera, so that you can take like you can catch it, hold it really well, and it's very good. So right at the end of this video, guys, I'm gonna take some shots from this camera, and I'm gonna show you how the pictures look like. And for this one, this is it, guys. This was the unboxing video, and I'll make like other videos with this camera soon. So this is the EOS R10 Canon camera, and it is very good for the beginners. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.
You